One of the best benefits of the Murideo 7G are the hundreds and hundreds of built-in test patterns, video clips, and audio streams. These built-in files will get the job done most of the time, but there may be a time where you want to upload custom test patterns or video clips or audio clips, depending on the type of work that you're doing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload custom files to the 7G. Let's get started. Before we get to the software, I do need to connect the 7G to a PC. For this demonstration, I'm going to use the supplied USB cable. Once a connection is made between the 7G and the PC, go ahead and open up your favorite web browser and visit murideo.com. Hover your mouse over the Products tab and choose the 7 generator. Scroll down a bit. You'll see different tabs. Click on the Resources tab. Then scroll down a little bit more. You'll see all the different options for PC software. In this video, we're going to upload a custom audio file and a custom video file, along with a custom test pattern. So go ahead and click on User Audio Uploader. And while we're here, let's go ahead and also download the User Video Uploader. On the next page, go ahead and click Download Folder. And since we're doing both at the same time, go ahead and download the other folder as well. These are zip files, so we have to unzip both. In this case, first is the audio uploader. Go ahead and click on the User Audio Uploader folder and click Extract All. In this case, I'm just going to put this on my desktop. Then click Extract. Next, we'll unzip the video uploader and also put that on the desktop. Click on the User Video Uploader, then Extract All. And again, we're going to put this on the desktop. Now both have been unzipped, and both are going to be on my desktop. First, we'll start off with the User Video Uploader. Go ahead and open up the folder. In here, you'll see the instruction manual and the uploader software. Let's go ahead and open up the Video Uploader software. You may get a message that Windows is protecting your PC. Go ahead and click More Info, and then Run Anyway. Now here's the Video Uploader software. In the upper left corner, go ahead and click Search. You should now see in green that the USB has been connected. The PC is now able to communicate with the 7G. First, we're going to upload a custom test pattern. So click Choose. I had the custom test pattern already on my desktop. You'll notice that this is a YUV file. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. The next thing to do is go ahead and check the box for My Picture 1. Then I have to choose whether the file is Full HD or Ultra HD. In this case, the file is 1080p, so I'm going to go ahead and choose Full HD. It is a YUV file, so make sure YUV is chosen here. If you click this drop-down, you'll notice that you can choose between RGB and YUV. But again, since this is a YUV file, we're going to choose YUV. In this case, the file that we're going to upload is standard dynamic range, so right now the HDR is turned off. But if the pattern was an HDR, we could turn that on here. Next is to give the file a custom name so it's easy to find. In this case, we're going to call it a color ramp. Once all the parameters have been chosen, go ahead and click the Upload button. You'll notice down here it says Upload Start, and once the file is uploaded, you'll see the word Upload Success. And that's basically all you have to do. You'll notice that there's 6 memories, so you can upload up to 6 test patterns. If you had more to upload, you could continue on with 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next, we'll upload a video clip. Click on the second tab, User Video Clip. Very similar to before, we have to choose the file to upload, so we'll click Choose. The file that we're going to upload is 4K with HDR10, and it's an MOV file. So the first dropdown is for UHD. The second dropdown, you can toggle between YUV and RGB. Since this is an MOV file, we're going to leave it on RGB. The file is HDR10, so we'll leave this dropdown in HDR10. The frame rate is set to automatic, which means the video clip will stay true to its original frame rate. Then we have to name the file. Once you've named the file, go ahead and choose the correct file. And since this is an MOV file, we're going to go to the bottom right corner and choose MOV. Now you'll see the video clip that you want to upload. Go ahead and double click on it, then click Upload. You'll see down here it says Upload Start. Then you can watch the transfer rate and the transfer percentage up here. Depending on the length of the clip and the size of the file, this may take a little bit of time. Just keep your eye on the percentage bar. Now the transfer percentage is up to 100%. I did speed up the video for the sake of time. In reality, the upload took about 20 to 25 minutes. The clip's about a minute long, full 4K, in HDR. Shorter clips of a lower resolution should go much faster. We did upload that clip into My Video 1. There's also a second memory here as well if you wanted to upload a second clip. Now that you've seen how to upload a pattern and a video clip, let's go ahead and take a look at an audio file. I'm going to close the video uploader, and we'll open up the audio uploader. In that folder is the manual and the uploader itself. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. You may see a message that Windows protecting your PC. Go ahead and click More Info, and run anyway. To connect the 7G to your PC, go ahead and click the search button. Now we see that the USB is connected. There are several tabs on the right side of the screen based on where you want to save the file. You can upload a Dolby file under Dolby MyStream, or a file for testing AV latency, ARC latency, eARC latency, or any files that might be DTS. For this demonstration, we're going to upload an AC3 file, which is going to fall under Dolby. This could also be used for AV latency, ARC latency, or eARC latency. Since this is a Dolby file, I'm going to click on Dolby MyStream. You can upload up to 6 files. Since I'm just going to be uploading one, I'm going to click on Dolby MyStream 1. Now we have to choose the file. In this case, I have it on my desktop. In the bottom right, open up this drop-down screen. And because the file is AC3, I'm going to pick AC3 here. Now the file shows up, so I can either double-click it or choose it and click Open. You'll notice down here that the file has been added successfully. Once the file has been chosen, go ahead and click the Upload button. Watch the progress bar, and now we're at 100%, which means the file has been uploaded successfully. To see and use your uploaded files, you can do this from the front panel of the 7G, and you can also do it from the control software. Let's take a look at how to do it from the control software. I'm going to close the audio uploader, and then I'm going to open up the control software, which I've already installed onto my PC. Let's connect the software to the 7G by clicking Search Device. If we look under the Video Generator tab, on the bottom row you'll see User Stills. Go ahead and click that, and our color ramp pattern that I uploaded before is right here under User Pattern 1. To see the video clip, click on Video Test, and at the bottom in the middle column, you'll see the ISS 4K HDR clip that we uploaded earlier. Now for the audio file that we uploaded, click on Audio Generator, and then Dolby Audio Generator, and then click on My Streams. Now you'll see that the file that we uploaded is under MyStream 1. As you can see, uploading custom content to the 7G is a breeze. We hope you found this video informative. For any questions or feedback, you can visit us at murideo.com or give us a call at 605-330-8491. Or you could always email us at info@murideo.com. Thanks for watching.